Hey folks, Maverick Indicators here, bright and early in the morning. Sorry, I was just talking to myself because I thought the recording button was going this entire trade. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, guys, I'm only in 6 contracts of micros CL, A+ setup to the upside. If I cross, oh boy, I'm gonna close this out. $500, just about $500. So sorry, I thought I was recording that entire time, and I might get into a few more, but let me tell you why, just in short order, we made almost $500 on this trade. All right, folks, so why did we get into that trade? And again, sorry I wasn't recording as we were setting up for that setup here, is the whole reason we got into that trade was that first off, we had an A+ setup to the upside. That was the big thing. A+ setup. Maverick Radar, the ultimate trading assistant, was giving us an A+ setup. The second thing is we had a green background. Okay, bulls are in control. Third thing is we had a bright green candle. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data underneath the hood. Okay, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. If you see bright green, it might fly right off your screen. Beautiful buy signal here. And then we started flattening out, and then we got this buy signal, and my antennas were up. I was like, hang on, hold on, we got a buy signal. And then we just pop and break above the blue line, the Maverick guide, and we just took that thing. I was only in 6 micros, and we did almost $500 within a course of, I don't know, 3 minutes or something. The Maverick trender was firing to the upside right here, and we're just going to get some retracement, I bet, back down to this blue line. Maverick trender was firing to the top. When this line is fired to the top, this is massive strength and momentum to the upside. All 5 traders were voting bullish across 6 time frames. Think of these as traders. They all have a completely different style, and they're voting across 6 time frames, and they were all voting bullish across 6 time frames. And we had an A+ setup to our Maverick Radar. Our Maverick Radar, the ultimate trading assistant, is looking at every single ingredient we look for to take a trade, and then it's scoring that trade. Is it an A setup, a B setup, or no setup? Like right now, you don't have any setup because it's retracing back down to the Maverick guide. We would want to wait, because you still have a lot of buying data underneath the hood, still bright green candles. So I wouldn't be surprised if you came down to this blue line and then started to retrace back up. You can see it's already like wicking. See this? You can see it's already like wicking back. It looks like it wants to go back up. There you go, because you have bright green candles. Your strongest upside candle is bright green. Okay, so it wouldn't surprise me if we hold here and we just keep popping up. And look, you just got upgraded to a B setup, to a B grade setup. Okay, so really, really interesting stuff. Really cool. If you want something like the ultimate trading assistant, the Maverick Radar, how many times have you gotten into a trade, you get stopped out, you look back and you go, what was I even thinking? Well, why don't you let the Maverick Radar be your eyes? Double check everything that you think you're seeing, and don't even get in until you have an A+ setup. Like we just did, 6 little itty bit. We were making $1 a tick per contract, okay? And we got up over $500 at one point, closed it out probably for about $490. So if you want clear vision, if you want edge in the market, folks, this is clear vision. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. The data said so. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. The data said so. Buy signal, buy signal. Okay, beautiful sell signal right here. Unbelievable. Okay, so listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, not financial advice, do your own research. So many of our traders are crushing it. If you want edge in the market, hey, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.